What up, YouTube? It's your boy Matt Get the Hands. And before this video starts, guys, I want to go ahead and just put a small disclaimer before watching this video. If you didn't get an idea from the title of what this video can be about, just let me explain before you watch this video, because I just don't want no controversial comments or people not understanding the importance of this video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to this kid's mom allowing me to record this haircut for you guys, to show you the blessings of being a barber. I've been a barber for almost 13 years now, and I have cut all walks of life, from my clients to homeless haircuts to kids on the spectrum. And to be honest with you, I feel like that's amazing. Honestly, if I have the patience to do that, I feel like you can too, and you can find it in your heart to build the patience and understanding on how to properly give a haircut to someone in need that can just use some extra little bit of work and patience. So this little kid that I'm about to cut and transform him, he has super long hair, and a lot of the barbers that she's approached, they turned her down for this reason. So you are gonna see the kid moving around, kind of scared, kind of shy, kind of nervous. I am new to him, he's new to me. Whether it's a sound that triggers him, or movement, or even just the atmosphere around him is brand new. It's understandable, and again, I blocked off enough time to do this haircut and video, so I had more than enough patience and time, and I just kept letting the mom know we're okay and we're good on time, we're not gonna rush. We even took a break mid-haircut, and that's when I took off the beat. That way you can see and hear there's a little bit of crying, but not too much. And you can tell that he trusts me, and he allowed me to give him a haircut. After the hair was all gone, you can tell that he was super happy and it felt good on him. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoy it. Again, don't feel bad for this kid, because his mom really wanted him to get a haircut, and you could tell that, you know, she was holding him down pretty good, but it's okay. We weren't hurting the kid. No one was hurt in this video, and we got the job done. All right, so let's watch this video, guys. Peace.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Good job. Good job. Yay. Yay.
Good boy, you're doing so good. So good. So good.
I don't know why you're crying. Why are you crying? Oh, why are you crying though? Yeah.
That's so cute.
Why are we crying though? How can it? I don't need to cry. Yay! You got it. Yeah, good job. Now look at you. Yeah. I'm gonna put gel on here. Oh, you have a little bit. Okay. Let me fix your hair first. Alright, let me fix your hair first. 1, 2, oh, ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, right side. I don't understand why you're crying. No need to look at you. Look at yeah. Where's the baby? Oh, yeah. Look at that hair. Boy.
You did so good today.
Yay, good
So
job.
good
Say
today.
thank you. High five. Alright. Thank you so much. You're such a good boy.
He's like, is it real? He's like, how you put his hand back there like, huh, where's my hair?
Look, his face is a...
Well, it's probably not what y'all expected to see, but you gotta understand something. Barbers, listen to me. Stop saying no to kids. Stop saying no to special needs kids. Make yourself stand out. Have it in your heart to have patience and cut these kids' hair. You never know how much of a haircut can do for a kid, let alone the parents. If you are watching this video and you have a special needs kid, you're doing an amazing job. Okay? You're doing an amazing job. I can tell it was tough on the mom during the haircut, but I just kept letting her know like everything's okay. I blocked off enough time to do this video. She was more than open enough to allow me to record this video for you guys. So look, y'all gotta understand something. When you watch this video, be careful what you say on the comments. Yeah, he was crying. Yeah, he was moving around. And this is why I love what I do. Because I was able to give that kid a haircut, get the hair off his head. A lot of barbers shied her away, told her no. And a good friend of mine recommended her to me. And I sent her a video on my YouTube channel of multiple kids' haircuts. And it basically just let her know that I was good with cutting kids' hair. So to me, that was an amazing haircut. Regardless of the moving around and stuff. And mom of the kid, if you're watching this video, you're doing a great job. Keep doing what you're doing. That kid was brought into this world to be your son for a reason. Thank you for allowing me to record it and put it on YouTube. I hope it brings positivity to the barbering industry, and hopefully it shows barbers that it's okay to say yes to kids' hair, to cutting their hair. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. And as always, Team Gifted. Stay gifted.